Hi guys, this is Prakash from 𝗚𝗵𝗿 and in today's session we'll be looking at the on-page anchor links. This is a special header section which has been created using the anchor text. So let us check how we can create anchor text which can have this functionality that it takes you to the particular section of the page. We will also learn how to link such buttons internally on the same page. So let us go to the home page and say edit with Elementor. So for each of the section, if you click on the edit section tab on the box and go to advanced, you will see something as CSSID. So this place we can put the anchor text. So let us learn this step by step. So this is the first step to create the anchor for the text. So what I will do, I will type in here the missing link. So since for the link we cannot have space, we can put a dash sign. So if you read the link now, it is the dash missing dash link. So there shouldn't be any space for this link, and I haven't put any capital letter in this. So I will just update it. So maybe you will not understand this immediately, but this is the first step. So for the missing link, we have created the anchor here. Likewise, for the next section also, I will create the anchor text. So the anchor text goes here CSSID, and now it will be our dash solutions. I will save it again. Similarly for the next section. So here I will go to advanced CSSID and I will now say meet dash our dash team. I will update it again. Same for the next section. I will go to the advanced settings CSSID and I will say about dash us, that is us. So I'll save it. For our partners, I will go to advanced settings CSSID. I will create our dash partners. I will update it. So for this section, I will go to advanced CSSID and I will say get dash in dash touch. We'll update it, and that is all. So we have now created the anchor text. So let us go to the dashboard now, and here scroll down to the appearance and go to menus. So here you'll see the main menu already, and we need to create some custom links. So I will first delete these things. I will remove this. So I'm deleting what there is already for the main menu, and I will create a new menu. So go to custom links, and here we need to give the name for the tab. So let me open the website here. The first is the missing link. So we'll put this as the missing link, and in the URL now you need to put the hashtag and type missing dash link, and I will say add to menu. So we have created the first link. Similarly, I'll go to the next part, that is our solutions, and I will type our solutions, your hashtag our solutions, and I will say add to menu. Now for the third part, that is meet our team. So I will type meet our team. This is the text, and the anchor URL is meet dash our dash team, and I will say add to menu. The next thing is about us, so I will type about us. I will add the anchor URL about us. Make sure that you are adding the exactly same anchor text here, otherwise the buttons won't work. So I will say add new. The next thing is our partners. I will type and hashtag our partners. I will add it to the menu, and the last one, get in touch. So I will type get in touch and hashtag get in touch is the URL to it. So I will say add to the menu. So I will save the menu now. So we also need to make this as the primary menu. So I will save this, and now if I go and refresh this page, you will immediately see the links, the anchor links here. So let us check if it is working. So I will click on the missing link, and it goes to the section of the page, our solutions, our team, about us, our partner, get in touch. So everything is working fine. So we could create the anchor text here. That is all for today. So I'll be coming up with many such interesting videos where you can learn creating websites on WordPress without any technical knowledge. So keep watching my videos. Do subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much, and take care.